My granddad's side of the family have a hump in the middle of their nose. My mum has it, my sister has it.
My mum has it.
In Manchester, 4 strangers have come together in search of fame in the family.
Hey.
Well, hello, people. Hi. You're all right? I'm Kerry.
Kerry Katona found fame in girl band Atomic Kitten.
Did you guess it was me?
She's now a successful TV personality and reality star.
For me, finding a new family member today is going to be emotional. Not knowing my biological father and being a very lonely kid, to then find new family members it's quite astonishing. Show us your treasures. Oh. Hey, you got to pay to see them, love.
Show Us Your Treasures is a chance for the diners to share stories of their relatives.
This is the report of when my granddad left Hungary. So his name is Kerry Katona, and he was a miner. And he was placed as a displaced person during the war, and that's why I came over. And this is the report on it. So that's quite interesting, isn't it?
Oh, it's interesting.
Very, very interesting.
And my granddad had a really unusual feature. He had silver teeth.
Oh, really?
Silver teeth. I don't know why, and a big nose.
My granddad's side of the family have a hump in the middle of their nose. My mum has it, my sister has it.
My mum has it. That's crazy, isn't it? And they've all got blue eyes. On my mum's side, they're all blue. It's just me with the brown eyes. My biological father had really dark brown eyes. So when I used to walk down the street, I used to look for men with brown eyes thinking, is that my real dad?
Oh.
I never met my biological dad. He died, unfortunately, before I got to meet him. And that played a massive part on my growing up. Yeah, I have huge regrets not meeting my dad.
My heart just went out to her because I've been really lucky all my life to have my family. So not to have that in your life, it's quite sad.
Who is this?
That's me.
That's not you.
It's my picture. I brought the picture. That is my mother. Lancashire lass, worked in the cotton mill, but her love when she was in younger life was the operatic society. She used to be in the chorus and the dance troupe.
See, for me, my Nana Betty, who married my granddad Dennis, she was in the flying ballet.
Wow.
So even when I got in a pop band and I'm doing all my music videos, it was never good enough for me, Nan. Oh, we didn't do it like that in our day. Oh. So do you think that's where you get your performance from? Because you like performing, don't you, Hayden?
I've done a bit, yes.
Yeah.
I currently play bass guitar in a band. I play rock and roll band.
I'm a bit of a show-off, that's all I am, really. I'm just a performer. Because of my childhood and thing, it was almost like a distraction.
This belonged to my paternal granddad's parents. I think it's pre-World War II. And the only thing I can find in it is this V, and it says British made.
And that's a lamp, and my family, on my mother's maternal side, made lamps.
Oh, really?
How do you feel like when you hold that, knowing that your ancestors held that?
Oh,
do you not find that
yeah.
so... I wish I had something like that from my ancestors that I could, you know, I think that's amazing. I was quite envious in a lovely way of watching everybody with their items of their memories. I haven't got anything sentimental like that from my ancestors or my grandparents, but it was so lovely to see the others with theirs. It was quite beautiful.